guys, this is Maine Cooks. Today I will be cooking spicy butter seafood boil, Pinoy style. Yum! Ang first step ay pakuluan lang natin ang crab, shrimp, and corn for 5 to 8 minutes sa malinis na tubig. After 8 minutes, hanguin na natin ang seafood at ang corn and then set aside. Here are the ingredients to make the spicy butter sauce. Now that all the sauce and spices is there, we're just going to mix this well and proceed to the next step. After preheating the pan, tutunawin lang natin yung butter. Susunod nating ilalagay ang sibuyas, bawang, at ang ating parsley or kintsay. Then, mix well. Isunod na ilagay ang spicy butter sauce na ginawa natin earlier. Squeeze in some lemon or calamansi in our sauce, then pwede na natin ilagay ang seafood at ang ating corn. Ayan guys, i-coat lang natin mabuti ang ating seafood with our spicy sauce and we're done. Pwede na natin tong tikman. Rice please!